And calling the case of People versus Terrence Hilton for the record, Mr. Dodds.
For the record, Your Honor, Joseph Dodds, P77311, on behalf of Terrence Hilton, the defendant, who is present via Zoom.
And do you have any, this is set for sentencing today. Are there any comments that you'd like to make before I sentence Mr. Dodds?
Yes, Your Honor, I have had a chance to go over the pre-sentence investigation and recommendation. I think it's, for the most part, very fair and accurate. I would just like to allocute on behalf of my client
Yeah, go ahead.
before sentencing. Thank you, Judge. Mr. Hilton is 50 years old. He does have children that he cares for. He's a full-time father working full-time at his new job. I think he just started 2 or 3 months ago. He is working full-time, or even in excess of full-time, sometimes overtime, I believe it. He had to take this job working, I think he calls it third shift, or it's basically midnights. And I do apologize for the miscommunication last time on the original sentencing date. I think with him transitioning into the new overnight schedule, working late at night, it's been quite a transition for him. But
Oh, yeah, I'm not worried about it.
thank you, Judge. I have gone over the recommendation. They're asking for 96 hours of community service. If there's possibility that that could be lowered down, considering he is working with this new job, I would take that, ask the court to take that into consideration. They're asking for some outpatient treatment within 30 days. I'm not sure if there's an online program or something he can do for that, given the fact that the pandemic is still happening. I know that he will be willing to do whatever the court asks for him and put this behind him. And
He can do an assessment and follow those recommendations, and Ms. Rack can give him a referral. And I know that probably the 96 hours was due to the prior, but since the prior was almost 10 years ago, I'll reduce it to 48 hours of community service. I am going to put you on probation for 9 months. It's $600 in fines and costs. You have to pay the victim's fund fee, the mandated state cost, and the probation cost, pay restitution to the arresting agency. I'll amend it to 48 hours of community service with a nonprofit organization, get an assessment and follow those recommendations. Provide us with a list of any and all medications within the next 30 days. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any alcoholic beverages or non-prescription controlled substances. Ms. Rapp will be in touch with you to answer any questions, give you your first reporting date, give you referrals if you need them, or answer anything else that you need, okay?